How to delete saved searches on eBay. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your saved searches on eBay. Now you want to simply head into ebay.com and here you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now if you have any saved searches, then what you can do is you can tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen that you can see along with card icon and the hamburger icon. Once you tap on it here, you'll get an interface like this. You want to simply tap on save option here, and once you tap on save, your saved searches should appear right here. You can see the saved searches. Now you want to simply tap on edit option. You want to tap on the saved search that you have. You can see here the box. You want to make sure it's ticked, and you want to simply tap on delete, and you'll be able to delete it and it'll be removed. You can see now it says you don't have any saved searches. So this way you can easily delete saved searches on eBay. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues, and make sure you stay tuned and subscribe for other videos that will be posted later on.